Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, low back pain relief stretches on the couch. Now, I do produce a lot of great content for those folks out there suffering with low back pain issues, such as sciatica nerve pain, bulging discs, herniated discs, many other issues. If that is you, then hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload some great content for you folks to get you back on the road to recovery. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay folks, so today I'm doing 6 simple low back pain relief stretches that you can do on a couch, on a bed. For some people it can be difficult to get onto the ground to do their stretches, exercises. You may have some issues with your knees, some issues with your hips. You may be a little bit older, you don't have the strength to get up and down off the floor, but you can still get on a couch, you can still get onto a bed. So this is designed for those folks out there, and you can follow along if you wish. And we're just going to get straight into it here. So we're on the couch. Okay, I am 6'3", so this couch is a little bit small for me, but we can still work with it. So first thing I'm going to do, it's actually more of an exercise than a stretch. When you've got low back pain, you want to try to kind of release some of that tension in your lower back. So what we're going to do first is a pelvic tilt exercise. Now, as the name suggests, we're going to tilt the pelvis. So what we're going to do, now you're going to do this with your head relaxed. I'm going to lift my head up so I can kind of talk to the camera a little bit better. We're going to squeeze the glutes and rotate the pelvis up. I'm going to turn it up like so. I'm not lifting off the ground, but you're going to rotate your pelvis and tuck your tailbone under, okay? Then I want you to do the opposite. I want you to make an arch in your spine and then go back and curl up and arch down. So when we curl up, we squeeze the glutes, you'll feel the lower pelvis lift off. When you arch, you relax the glutes, extend your spine, and you'll feel your sit bones, your glutes, dig into the couch. So it's for a gentle, rhythmic motion. And you want to do 8 to 10 of these. And you want to stop just before the end range of motion, okay? It's a little bit of a mobilization technique, okay? 8 to 10 of those. Then you take a second, maybe 10, 15 seconds. Then what I want you to do is take both hands, make a fist, could be both hands together like so, and gently lift up one knee, then the other knee. And you're going to put those two fists between your knees. And what you're going to do, you're going to squeeze your fists together. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you can relax, take your hands out. Put them in again, squeeze, 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 squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 to 7 seconds all you need. Take a few seconds off. One more time, squeeze. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now when you squeeze, you might hear a little pop down in your hips in your lower back region. That's like a little adjustment that you can do. For the sacrum, that's the sort of tailbone region, and it can help relieve some of that tension built up in your lower back, okay? So you'd run through that 3 times. Now we'll move on to some simple stretches. Now you can do this with one leg straight, or as I've got it here, one bent. I'm going to take my left leg first. I'm going to take it behind the knee, or you can take it on top of the knee if you've got no issues with the knee. And you're going to bring that knee up towards the chest. You feel a slight stretch in your glute area, your bottom here. Hold that for 30 seconds. Again, you'd hold it for 30 and then you would change sides, okay? And you want to repeat this each side 3 times in total. You can if you wish, but the legs straight, that sometimes increases the stretch there, okay? So it'd be 30 seconds, then you'd relax, and then you would change legs again. Now, moving on to number 4, we're going to put my left ankle across my right knee. Just here, very gently. Now, this might be enough of a stretch for some people. If you want to increase it a little bit more, you can take my left hand and I can push out. I can take my right hand here, holding my ankle, take my left hand and push my knee out, like sort of away from me. And you feel it stretch deep up into the hip region. Basically, we're trying to stretch all the tissue around the lower back and hips to give that lower back some release. And you push away there gently. Don't force the stretch, don't bounce the stretch. Do you feel a nice gentle stretch? 30 seconds. And then relax, and then you would change sides. Across here, I've got this hand here so the ankle doesn't slip off my knee, and I gently push against this knee 30 seconds, and then I'd repeat 3 times. Now, if you can, And it's possible to increase your stretch even further if I can get my hands behind this knee and hold this position. I might need to hold my ankle on with one, and I lift up this foot here, my left foot, and you feel a greater stretch in the glute region, okay? But if this is as far as you can go with a push, that's perfectly okay, okay? Now we're going to put the legs down. Now we're going to go into the hamstring, the back of the thigh region here. And again, we're just going to lift this leg up behind my knee. I'm going to straighten my knee. It's going to get out of shot for a second. Bring my toe towards my knee. Okay, and I feel a stretch in the back of my thigh here. Again, don't force it, don't bounce it. Okay, maybe this is as far as you're going to go. That's perfectly fine. Just come up, straighten, pull the toe towards your knee, hold for 30 seconds, bring it down, relax slowly, change sides, 30 seconds on that side, repeat each side for a total of 3 times. Then the last one we're going to do here, just a little more mobility towards the end. Number 6, bring my knees to here, bring them together, and I just want you to rotate about your hips, backwards and forwards. You can do 10, 12 in total, so 5 to 6 on each side. And then put one knee down, other knee down, and then relax off, okay? Okay guys, 6 simple, effective, lying low back pain stretch relief exercises. Any questions, comments, hit me up in the section down below. If you are struggling with your own back problems, sciatica nerve pain, herniated disc, bulging disc, low back pain, chronic lower back pain, send me my email. It's down there as well in the description for you guys. All right, have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.